Students, today we are going to start with chapter 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. Now here you might be knowing what is a factor. Factors are the numbers which are multiplied to get a particular product. So here we will study the factorization of algebraic expressions. Okay, so for factorization of algebraic expressions, there should be something common between the terms, like this, like you can see this example. This is 7x minus 7y. You can see this 7. We will take it as common, and in bracket we will be left with x minus. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Okay. Now we will start solving the exercise. Now in this exercise we will be factorizing some polynomials. So here first one is 3x minus 12. Here first term is 12. What is common between 3 and 12? See, this is 3 and 12 can be written as 3 into 4. Yes, so factor 3 is common between 3 and 12. So we will take 3 as a common factor. Now what we are left? X minus, here we are left with 4. So 3 into x minus 4 is the factors of 3x minus 12. Now here this one, second one is 80 plus 16y. Now here, what is common between 80 and 16? What is the HCF of 16 and 80? 80 can be written as 16 into 5. So 16 is common in both. So we will take 16 as common. So we are left with 5 plus y. Sorry, here it is plus. 5 plus y. So this is the factorization of this polynomial. Now here it is a square plus 7a. Now you can see here the power of a is 2 and here the power of a is 1. So smallest power of the variable can be taken as a common. So a will be taken. So here it is power 2. So 1a we have taken as common. One more a will be there inside the bracket, and here plus 7. So this is the factorization of a square plus 7a. Now 8c square minus 24c. What is common between 8 and 24? Here we can write 24 as 8 into 3 and c square and c. c is common. So 8c is common. So here if we take out 8c from here, then it is the power 2. So 1c is left inside, minus if we take 8c common, then we are left with 3 here. Like this you will do the factorization. I have done few questions and few I have left for you to do. Okay. Now here 10 pq minus 12 pq square. What is common between 10 and 12? 10 can be written as 2 into 5 and 12 can be written as 2 into 6. So 2 is common, and pq you can see it is common. So if we take 2 pq here, what is left? 5 minus, and if we take 2 pq here, what is left? 6. One more p. Okay, 6p. Be careful about the powers. Now this 12th one I have done 30g plus 54gh. What is common between 30 and 54? 30 can be written as 6 into 5 and 54 can be written as 6 into 9. So 6 and g is common. So if we take 6g, we are left with 5 here. If we take 6g, we are left with 9h here. So this is the factorization. Here 36y cube z plus 48y square z square. What is common between 30 and 48? They are both divisible by the table of 12. You can see they have HCF 12. So 12 is common, and y here power is 3, here power is 2. We always take the smaller power. So y square is common and z square, so z is common. So 12 we have taken, here it is 12 into 3 and here it is 12 into 4. So here we are left with 3, okay, and y square we have taken, so one more power y plus 12 we have taken here, y, so 4, y square we have taken, and z, here power is 2, one power we have taken common, so z. So this is the factorization for this term, okay, this polynomial. Now here we have three terms, but the thing is same. You have to see what is common in these three. Now see the constants 12, 15 and 7. We have nothing common between 12, 15 and 7. So let us see the variables a cube, a square and a. A means power 1. So the smallest power of a is 1, that we will take as common, and rest things we will write in the bracket. This is how we will factorize it. Now here 17th I have done 15 y square z cube minus 20 y cube z raised to 4 plus 35 y square z square. So what is common between 15, 20 and 35? All three have HCF 5. We have HCF 5 of these three. Here it is 5 into 3, it is 5 into 4, it is 5 into 7. So we will take 5 common. And y, the smallest power of y is 2. So we have taken, and smallest power of z is also 2. We have taken it as common. So if we have taken 5 common here, then what is left here? 3 z. And here it is 4 y z square. Here it is 7. Okay, because y square z square is common. So this is the factorization. Now here 18th one I have done. 14, this is the expression, it's a big expression. So let us see what is common between 14, 42 and 70. All these three numbers are divisible by 14. Okay, and what is the smallest power of 5? Here it is m. Here it is 5, it is 7, it is 6. So power 5 we will take common. For n we have 4, 3, 4. So we will take power 3 common. And p you have 2, 7 and 3. So we will take 2 common, and rest things you will write here in the bracket. This is how you are going to solve exercise 6A, and you have to solve all the questions here. Thank you.